In this video, we will learn about comments in C programming. Comments are non-executable text that help explain your code. They are ignored by the compiler, but provide valuable information for developers. Here is an example. The first line shows a single-line comment in C, using 2 forward slashes. Next, we have the main function, which contains a multi-line comment that spans multiple lines, enclosed between a forward slash asterisk and an asterisk forward slash. Inside the main function, the printf function displays "Hello World," and the program returns 0. Let's explore single-line comments in C. Single-line comments begin with 2 forward slashes. Everything after these slashes on that line is ignored by the compiler. These comments are commonly used for brief explanations. Single-line comments were added in the C99 standard and are not available in the older ANSI C standard. Here's an example. Inside the main function, we first declare variables with a comment indicating this. We then calculate age in months again with a comment. Finally, we display the result, also preceded by a comment. The printf function displays the calculated age in months. Now let's discuss multi-line comments in C. Multi-line comments begin with a forward slash asterisk and end with an asterisk forward slash. They can span multiple lines and are available in all C standards. Multi-line comments cannot be nested, meaning you cannot have a forward slash asterisk inside another multi-line comment. They are ideal for function documentation and commenting out blocks of code. Here is an example. A multi-line comment describes the function calculate area, explaining its purpose, parameters, and what it returns. The function itself then calculates and returns the area of a rectangle. Let's talk about comment best practices. Use comments to explain complex algorithms, document function purpose and parameters, clarify non-obvious code decisions, create section headers in long files, and temporarily disable code during debugging. Here are some examples of good and bad commenting practices. A good comment explains the purpose, such as convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, while a bad comment states the obvious, like multiply by 1.8 and add 32. Additionally, you can temporarily disable a block of code for testing by enclosing it in forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.